Juliet Moon tene changma khamjang yodo tene changalangi yang changmala hala I azuk I topic for phases in the expansion of democracy skolangi silte video choste rachi ha goto na to video chostinga calls spin but response malip to chichi mane malip Teveganinga pata charak ki kyaun book popes timanista masta inti duksa silche shi zapikshan try macho inti duk Tevenanya po kyauna sirf homework po guide करने शूट थे ना सिर्फ टीचर्स po kyaun pya tenao ठीक sort tin tik duk but kyaun azuk otyo ठीक manok sa book patsik pes te silches pang ma important no tena azuk ne phala ta topic ne phala yang man silches no phases in the expansion of democracy So inang ko chinok se nagato ngatai kazua hala kazua democracy namne phala yong stock teves ko la ngatai silches no kazua yong stock hala ka century na yong stock modern democracy kazua yong stock te unis ko la silches no ni sangal la ngatai previous yazuk penang ko ngata map kun na taches no ki 1900 nang na 1950 sakpacham ji democratic country do khala non-democratic countries samjik to testing ni 1975 time ka samjik democratic countries kyurtok te sama फिर इसके बाद 2000 नंग को samjik democratic country yonsto te won samma skola yu pura data tangste no sa testing ni ngata inang ko chi silen zona ka to beginning hala ngata the beginning inang ko ngata goma ni phala hala ki kazu democracy yonsto te skola silches no koma start pa kazu sonsto hala So the maps do not tell us much about what happened before the 20th century. 20th century sangala ata ina kwa I map ko ne hala te chingata clearly define chostimir ki kaise zuko I chisong hala democracy ko shayong chisong zarkan mata te chipata chamruk lo hala the story of modern democracy began at least 2 century ago the 2 century sangala tene ina ngati modern democracy bo start sonste nok lo hala you may have read the chapter on the French Revolution of 1789 in the history book of this course hala tene 9 zu ina ko 9 class ina ko kyan ina class ina ko kyan French Revolution scholar silto kya 1789 na ko 1789 French Revolution of 1789 scholar silto no ka vina ko ngata I zuko kazua democracy yong Steven scholar kazua democracy start song Steven scholar ina ko yut kya this popular uprising did not establish a secure and stable democracy in France hala teni I azuk daksi French Revolution ijaste hala stable jigna secure democracy jik France na ko establish ma song kyak ma tsuk skyak zetenoksa throughout the 19th century Democracy in France was overthrown and restored several times. In 19th century na क्या हुआ था कि फ्रांस ना को democracy वो yang kyong shkyak restore shkyak yang umani thench kya kala yang metkan song kya democracy establish song kya yang chuk shkyak kala tena chuk shenang duk shkyak so malab continue malush kya democracy bo so yet the French Revolution inspired many struggles for democracy all over the Europe pure nang ko chi songkyak se na ka to I time ka French Revolution inspired shoshkyak democracy khonche sepia pura Europe nang ko not only in France but all over the Europe nang ko French Revolution inspired shoshkyak kona kinga ta democracy khongo democracy pia struggle chogo sok sette sa in Britain the progress towards democracy started much before the French Revolution tene मतलब ब्रिटेन ना kwalta na का तो French Revolution से पहले French Revolution कब हुआ था 1789 ना को हाला ते संगाला ब्रिटेन ना को democracy establish चुचे से पिया start song sarkyak progress po start song sarkyak so but the process was very slow then process po Britain nang ko slow kyak ma please nam mani khone ote democracy bo khongche sipia last chi chwat nang hala progress struggle chi chona to but chikshas slow kyak so through the 18th and the 19th century series of political events reduced the power of monarchy and feudal lord hala फिर उसके बाद ची संख्या जना 19 ना 18th century time जी का ची संख्या series of political events मापिक संख्या हाला political events mean तमिल democracy क्योंचे सिपिया struggle चोचे स्ते संग माहाला events मापिक संख्या का विना को ची संख्या जना का तो monarchy गैपे rule हाला त्योना feudal ठीक है फ्यूडल लॉर्ड का वेना को जमींदार छुपो छुपो संग माहाला ते संग में पावर वो कम संख्या ठीक है नाम संख्या 18 ना 19th century ना को तेने the right to vote was granted to more and more people तेने ते संख्या ची संख्या जन ते स्टिंग फ्यूडल लॉर्ड ना फ्यूडल ना मोनार्की उन्हें पावर गुण कम छिन ची संख्या जन right to vote tangches po hala word tangches system bo mi mang po tangch kya hala allow chosh kya mi une alok right to vote rights po tain zete sa kon sang mang pe chi chosh kya zena word tangches shuru chosh kya sa around the same time as French Revolution hala French Revolution time ji ka hala the British colonies in North America declared themselves independent in 1776 teninga ta pata no ki French Revolution nam संख्या 1789 na kwala tina time ji ka British colony the British colonies in North America na ko North America is a colonial adushino country jino hala tene e time ka British kun count in North America na ko hala tion korang na korangun chi choshkiak zena British colony sang American joste korang na korangun independent choshkiak 1776 na ko sa in the next few years these colonies came together to form the United States of America this thing ne tena vesting ne kya hua tha ki independent choste thing ne tene colonies or the British colonies in North America declared them tene North American British colonies makpot kya kawina ko British kune kabza chosun kya te sangma independent chosh kya 1776 na ko testing ni chi song kya zena ka to ote colonies sangma इकट्ठा सोंते हाला कैम्प टुगेदर कोन संगमा चिक चिक जोम ते कोने ची जोश क्या जन यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका गुश क्या जते नक्सा गोमा ई यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका न को अलग अलग कॉलोनीज मांपोत क्या ब्रिटिश कॉलोनीज तेसने कोन इंडिपेंडेंस होते कोन संगमा यहाँ पो जोमते कोने यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका जोश क्या फॉर्म जोश क्या they adopted a democratic constitution in 1787 in Angwa Kone democratic constitution kon adopt choshkia 1787 in Angwa but here too the right to vote was limited to a very few men hala tene even ko chit kyak zena ka to but at time ka hala kon democratic country secure tyang hala hua kya ki khona ina ko right to vote for limited people hala men miuna mane thanks to mit kyak so in the 19th century, struggles for democracy often centered around political equality, freedom, and justice. Then in ko chit kya zina on the 19th century time ka hala. Then struggle for democracy. Ngata I democracy pyangata struggle chot kya pa hala. To chi around yut kya zina marik po political equality na freedom na justice according yut kya hala. Then democracy meaning bokoran chit kya zina ka to I sang mena ko kona freedom tong equality tong political freedom political equality political justice according kona ई डेमोक्रेसी वो सेंटर सों तो क्या मीनिंग वो कोने डेमोक्रेसी क्योंचे से मतलब वो इचंका तोंग जते कोने स्ट्रगल चोट क्या सा one major demand was the right for every adult citizen to vote teni yang nang ko major demand chit kya zena ka to adult citizen sangmala chit kya zena ka to vote tang che se right tong zete kya sa many European countries that were becoming more democratic did not initially allow all people to vote. Then European countries nga tanga la is na sil teno hala European countries mang pojik chi chat kyak zena ka to democratic chenyut kya hala te time ka so koni chit kyak zena ka to o te time ka democratic chenyut time ka hala mi mang po hala vote tang chuame kya initially gome ka vote tang chuame kya mi sang mala hala in some countries only people owning property had the right to vote teni inakwa I countries ka chi inakwa chi kya zena hala ki ka people gune law property yo thala जो जायदाद जमींदार मतलब जमीन वमीन यामिरा और संगमा युतकान गुला माने वोट तंगचुआ में क्या राइट में क्या हाला काउन लैंडलेस योत काउना प्रॉपर्टी में त्योना वोट तंगचुआ में क्या ठीक है फिर उसके बाद often women did not have the right to vote तेनी पोमो नंग ते टाइम का राइट तंगचे से वोट तंगचे से राइट में क्या स्वा In the United States of America, the blacks all over the country could not exercise the right to vote until 1965. The United USA na kwa chit kya zena ka to hala on na kwa black people gunit kya ka on skin black yut hala African type hala o te una chit kya zena ka to khona till 1965 sakpa khona vote tangche se allow cha met kya khona right to vote met kya sa then after 1965 Tinekona vote tangche se allow Josh Kyaksa. Then those struggling for democracy wanted this right granted universally to all adult men and women. Teni this in Josh Kyaksa konyang democracy na ko struggle chozane koni mi sang mezesh kyaki ngayona universally pura grant chosala ki mi chenmo na hala adult sangma la men nang women nang hala rich nang poor nang white nang black nang sangma vote tangche se right tong zete zesh kyaksa this is called universal adult franchise teni chi zera noxena I wachi zera noxena universal adult franchise zera nox ya universal suffrage zera nox ठीक है this thing the box here tell us when universal suffrage was granted in many countries of the world teni na ko ngata ये box na ko find pata chanok sa ina ko tang se miro ha indo ina tang se dokpa ki 1893 na ko New Zealand la tang shkyak ki universal adult franchise grant jo shkyak tang shkyak so itsangmala itsangma I जो box में नलता चेसे नोक ठीक है this thing as you can see by 1900 New Zealand was the only country where every adult had voting rights tening ata 1900 nang kwalta na ka to hala 1893 means around 1900 no New Zealand was first country no kavenang ko adult जो को voting rights tangstiut kya ठीक है but if you go back to the map you can see many other countries are marked as democracies by the beginning of the 20th century tening ata I azuko gya baltas tinga talta nakato hala map kalta nakato chize tuzukzena ki 20th century time ka hala beginning of the 20th century start che sangala hala क्या है कि नतंगुना कि इनको डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री जिमा पे स्टांते दुख जतनो हाला इनको जतनो कि डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री मा पोजिक इनको डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्रीज इन 1975 इनको इथमा डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री नो येलो इनको हाला कि इनको जतनो कि मैप इनको ngata mark chosi दुखाला कि मंगपो 20th century beginning start time का country mang poj democratic mark chosti duk sete hala this country had by then government elected by a significant number of people mostly men and had granted political freedom in some measures hala then this country had by then government elected then countries kunna government elected as a by a significant number of people government bosi elect choruk se na to I countries kuna daksa 19th century 20th century sunna ko hala ka countries kun जो democratic ngata स्थान नियोत ते countries kun na को क्या था कि का few people मतलब important peoples या मी खच्ची के माने जोंग mostly men गुने माने चिचोरुक जना गातो government bo elect चोरुक जतनो हाला and had granted political freedom to in some measure तेने political freedom bo मतलब limited चिक माने खोना तंग स्तिमिरुक जतनो हगवा मतलब 20th century start छे टाइम का हाला country mangpo jina को government bo elect songkyak but sui elect chosno jina ka to ina ko mi khachi ge elect chosno mostly sui chosno man gune hala puchao ne chat kyaksa tene khona chit kyaksena political freedom bo yun jik limited chik mane tangste met kyaksa te chik freedom pura tangste met kyaksa. So early democracies were established in Tenia Kakarasong Nagato democracy hala democratic country ka Europe, North America and Latin America sankasa. End of colonialism. Takazo colonialism bo bansong tenosa. Okay, this thing ne end of colonialism. Colonialism kazo agata hala British kone country shika hala. This thing ada situation also end of colonialism hala tene kazo British kone hala country shika ya kabza chosno patyo metkan kazo song hala tyo ngata silches nosa. For a very long time most countries in Asia and Africa were colonies under the control of European nation tene kata pata no ki Asian and African countries mang poj hala as European nation nang ko yut kya hala under nat kya hala. People of the colonized country had to wage struggle to achieve tene or the colonized European